So once you receive a work order from the office, you have to pull it from, this is your toolbar and what you mainly work off of. So minimize this, every one of these toolbar tabs. And in order to pull up a new file, you go to the iDrive. The code is CNC. Then from there you go to machine files, current job wiki, which is this machine, and then you also pull up the current jobs. And from there you find the work order number, which is 70,085, fire station 64 recut. And that's it right there, right? Fire station, right here. Drag this down to your current jobs. Yes. And then from there we can go back into our workstation. And then in order to pull it up from our workstation, you hit select. This is where you pull your files that you just loaded. And you find that same job number, 70,085, fire station 64 recut, which is right here. Double click, batch 1, double click, default nest. This is the material name, this is the file name. And now it's ready to cut. So from there, you click on it, hit enter. Now it's active. This is engaging the table, which now, you see, the pins are up. Make sure you got the right piece of material. Get square against these pins. And then from there, suck it down. This is your suction pedal. You can hear the pull it down. You watch it pull it down to the table. You want to make sure it's sucked down firmly. And here's your start button. You'll see the pins